If you wonder how much it is to maintain a yacht this or to own a yacht this, there's a lot of expenses that you have to think about. Number one, you have to think about how much is it going to cost you to keep it at the marina. A yacht of this size, which this one is a 50-foot yacht, is going to cost you roughly around $2,500 per month. Then you have to make sure that you have somebody to come in every month and dive underneath the boat and clean underneath the boat, and that's going to run you around $2 per foot. So now we're talking about another $100, or depending where you are, it might be $3. I personally pay $3 per foot, so it costs me $150. Then on top of that, you have to make sure that you do a weekly wash to maintain the gel and to maintain the coat the right way. And that's another $150 every time you wash the boat. So that alone, just on maintenance, before you even go out, before you put fuel on it, it's pretty much a big expense. So that's why it's called a heavy, expensive hobby. But one of the things that you got to think about, what does boat stand for? Boat stands for break out another $1,000. And that's exactly why ownership of a yacht is expensive.